Now I will eat free biryani. Now I rob the shopkeeper. Hey, give me one plate of biryani.
Okay. Take it.
Thank you. Oh no! Bro, why its taste is so strange? Is it really chicken biryani?
Yeah, sir, it's chicken biryani. Chicken poster is display on the board. Check yourself.
Okay, wait. Let me check. Huh? Dog? Bastard! You fitted me dog biryani.
No, bro, I think you are mistaken. Wait, I show you.
Okay. See.
Dog, where it came from?
How do I know? Bastard, you fitted me haram. Wait, I am calling police.
Stop! Freeloader, you trying to rob me? Wait, I teach you a good lesson right now.
I owe you.